Guys, I have good news, because in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly steps and procedures how I use short videos to pull traffic down to my long form videos. Initially I've been creating short, but I didn't know that I can do this same thing to pull traffic from my short videos down to my long form videos. So for those of you that have been here that have been saying, oh, I don't want to create shorts because if I create shorts, nobody is coming to watch my long form videos, you can use that same short to pull traffic. And you can see that my channel moved from over 5,100 subscribers to over 5,300 subscribers right now as at the time of filming this particular video. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibes and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, let's just dive right into my tutorial so that I will show you exactly steps and procedure how you can use shorts to drive traffic down to your long form videos. And honestly, when I saw this, I thought it was not going to work until I started trying it for the past 1 week now. And guys, my long form videos are getting more attention, and every single shot I pull out here on YouTube, exactly the same thing that I am doing. Sonia, talk slowly. Somebody say you're talking fast. Anyways, let's dive right into the tutorial. Okay guys, so my screen record is all started, and the first thing you need to do is to create a short first. Yes, that's the first thing that you need to do, and I will still show you in case you have shorts already on your channel, right, how you go about them. But let's finish with this one, like how you can still do the same thing, because I've been going back to my old short as well to do the same thing. So now once you go to your YouTube app, you're going to create shorts first. So let's see which shorts we're going to create. So click on the shorts end, right? If you click on the shorts end, I'm just okay, let's just assume that I want to create, let's assume that I want to create something like this, right? So let's go ahead and click on use the sound. Sorry guys. Now then I'm going to go ahead and use the sound. Then I'll just go ahead and record the short video. Okay, so face me and let's record the short video. So this is me. Will you please be my bestie? Now that I'm done recording, so I'll go ahead and click on next. Okay, so that the noise will not be too much, right? Go ahead and click on next. If you want to do any write-up, feel free to do any write-up. Now you're just going to go ahead and put the caption here. So for just the sake of this video, let me just put lol here, okay, and laugh about it, and then put this funny stuff, and then ensure that the shot is on public, or if you want to schedule it, you can work with anyone. So but let me assume that I want to schedule this shot for tomorrow, right? So I'll just go ahead and click and then schedule it for maybe today 5 p.m. okay, and then go back. Then now you're going to now see related videos, and this is where the magic is. Now click on related video and pick the video that is related to this short. Now what I do on this basic is I don't just pick any video that is short. You can see that all these ones are my short. I go ahead and pick my long form video, so that the traffic that is coming from my short end can affect my long form videos and people come and watch, and that has been really doing the job for me. So go ahead and click it. You can see it here. You already have related videos attached to this. Now go ahead and click on not altered. Okay, if you click on not altered, then you can go ahead and upload this particular short. Now when you upload this particular short, as this short is getting attention, your long form video is also getting attention because you have a video relate to it. Now let me discard this first. Oh, I went and straight to my draft, and let me go ahead and show you one of my short videos. Okay, so let's view channel here and then click on my short videos. And if I play this particular short video for you, this particular one, you can see it here. It's showing you related video. It's showing you days in my life as a married woman. Now if I click on it directly, it will play that video for me immediately. You understand? It will play that video for me, and I've been getting lots and tons of comments from new subscribers. You understand? Some persons will tell me, oh, I saw your shorts and I decided to check your long form videos. They are very nice. Keep it up. Like, if you check my long form videos, right? Normally, when I was not even creating shorts, you can see the views. Now, ever since I started attaching them with creating shorts, you can see it here. This one even got, the one that I uploaded 3 days ago, got up to 597 views. And of which you can see the one I posted two weeks ago with just 450 something views. So this is the new method that I learned to be pulling traffic on my channel. Now, for those ones that be like, okay, I have a lot of shorts on my channel that is doing well. Now, what do I do about it? Now, let's take, for example, let's go to some of my old shorts that I did not attach any video to it. Let me show you exactly what you are going to do, right? Because I noticed this one recently. So let's click on this short. Let's see. Okay, now for this short, now you can see that I've not attached to it. Now what do? All you need to do is to click on what? These three dots, and like go back on your channel here on the short distance interface. Click on these three dots and it will show you edit. Go ahead and click on edit. If you click on edit, you can see it here. Go ahead and put related video. Okay, related video. Choose your recent content. You understand? That's what you will be doing. Your recent long form video. Don't choose short form video. Your recent long form video. Always do what? Always link it to to all of your shorts that you are uploading. Trust me, there is no way you're not going to be getting the result that you're looking for. Now I've added it, days in my life, right? Because that's my recent video, right? Go ahead and save this. Any recent video you upload, use this related video and tag from your short and tag to your long form video every single videos that you upload on your short end. And trust me, you're going to be getting results and you will definitely come back and share testimony with me. Anyways, let me go ahead and end this. When I actually saw this, right guys, when I actually saw this, I saw this from one of these our white people content creator, and when he was talking about it, I said, okay, let me give it a try. And I did my own investigation, I did my own trials as well. This thing is working, so definitely it will work for you by the special grace of God. Now, on that question that someone asked me is, how many shots do I upload in a day? What are you keeping those shots for? If you can upload 10 shots, if you can upload 5 shots, if you can upload 6 shots, depending on how your strength carries. Me, it is because of this new environment that I am. That's why I'm not really pulling out shot as much as I can. But if you know me, I pull out shot at least in a day. If I don't pull out anything, I pull out up to 10 to 6 different shots on my channel. And have I been seeing the results? Yes. Even from my analytics, I've been seeing the results. And I've seen people, all these big content creators as well, that have used short to grow their audience, grow to millions subscribers, and even if they put out long form video, they still link it together. The good part is the short video is making money, the long video is making money, your live stream is making money. There is no way you're not going to be skyrocketing on YouTube. So don't just sit down there and leverage on just one thing. And if the long form video is not working for me, I'm not going to be doing it. Let it just be long form video. Sometimes you'll get tired, you get frustrated, you understand. But if one is not working, the other one is working, you'll be grateful. For this few period I've tested this short, I will not tell you guys in this video how much I actually make on short video, because I told you guys that it's from now to December. Then I want to gather everything and show you how much. But I have seen like a huge difference on this my lifestyle revenue, and I'm so grateful for that. You understand? And honestly, I will not stop thanking is it Rose Nagy for bringing a short analysis that I actually saw that also encouraged me, because I know that you can make money from short. But after her video, I was more encouraged on her videos, and this is me also encouraging someone out there, so that tomorrow you will clap for me and say, ah, Sonia actually did encourage me. Anyway, subscribe this channel, subscribe on this channel, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, like let's say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Destiny is lying at my back. Destiny, say hi. She's just lying there saying nothing since. Anyways, bye guys, I love you. Mwah.